Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to show you all an exercise which can help to boost your immune system and improve your overall health. If you want to delay aging, you cannot just depend on all those chemical-loaded anti-aging creams. The best thing you can do to maintain your beauty is to improve your health, as everyone knows that beauty is related to health. The exercise which I'm going to show you today is called qigong in Chinese, which means swing hands exercise. This exercise is introduced by the famous Chinese qigong master, Feng-San. Master Li said that this exercise can help to improve qi and blood circulation. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that all sicknesses result from the blocking of qi. Qi is the vital energy that circulates through the body at all times. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine believe that in order to be free from all health issues, a person needs to have a balanced qi. The sequence of movements of this exercise can bring your blood circulation to the end of your limbs easily and quickly. And as the qi and blood redirect back to your internal organs, your overall health will be improved. There are a lot of testimonies which claim that this exercise has cured their illnesses and improved their skin health. Wear loose and comfortable clothing and flat-soled shoes or barefoot while practicing this exercise. It is better to practice on an empty stomach or wait for at least 30 minutes after meals. First, relax and breathe smoothly. Standing with both legs apart at a width roughly equal to that of the shoulder. Slowly raise your hands to the height of the shoulders. Swing the arms back with a little effort until both arms are behind the body. After that, swing to the front of the body until they are the same height as the shoulder. Swing your hands naturally like pendulums. On every fifth swing, the knee should slightly bend down and spring back quickly. Once when the arms are swinging towards the back of the body, and another on the return swing to the front of the body. When you swing, keep a certain pace and maintain the same rhythm. Focus on the swing and relax your mind. Remember to have a peaceful state of mind. The upper body should maintain strength. Do this exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. After you have done the exercise, drink a cup of warm water for best results. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified of my latest videos. I promise to give more useful tips to enhance your health and beauty. Thank you.